Hey guys, so let's explore OkCUPID dating app. So how is it different from Tinder? Or who is it good for, and like general features. So this is how it looks like. If you go to double take, it's actually pretty similar to Tinder. So you just swipe right if you like someone, swipe left if you don't like someone, like stuff like that. But the difference between Tinder is that OkCupid has really many more questions. So it's pretty similar to these old dating websites where you had to fill out all these questionnaires, quizzes, and answer all these questions. So for example, here I have like 91% match, and it's based on questions I ask when creating a profile on OkCupid. Yes. For example, if you click, you can see more photos. Okay, it's similar, but then if you scroll down, you can see much more information sometimes. You can see a lot of answers on questions. You can see self-summary. Also, if you like, you can send an introduction. Something like that. Then you have also discovery. So there are a lot of people who have 96% match, and it's obviously based on your questions. So the main difference with Tinder is that here on OkCupid you can really find people based on interests and your hobbies and your answers to specific questions. So maybe your conversations will be much more easier here. Then you can see likes. Obviously, to see who likes you, you need to upgrade. So here are the prices. Then you can go to conversations menu. Then you can go to your profile. So you can change your account settings. It's the standard options here. Of course, you can select your filtering. So you can select the gender, distance, age range, and that's basically it. So it's also pretty simple app. And here are my questions to all answers. Yeah, so that's about it. That's how you use it.